Alright, let's take a look at the chart action for Uniswap. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys this chart because it's actually pretty cool. It seems pretty volatile. So we're getting some pretty good pumps, and then it gets like a pullback, and then we get like a good pump, and then a pullback. Same thing. It kind of looks like, honestly, a rising wedge right here, which is a bearish pattern, which means we could probably end up coming back down right here, or maybe this green area right here. So this area is a buy level for me, and this area is a buy level for me, and same with this orange line, just in case, and the orders get bigger as they go down. I would say I actually haven't put in the orders yet, but that's what I would do. For right now, it looks like we're heading up, and we're about to test this white trend line again up here. I have these red lines drawn from what I think would be resistance. From right here, we got resistance on this area right here, and then right here on this area, we got resistance right here. And then if we go into like the hourly time frame, we had this kind of pattern going on, something like this, kind of a reversal, upside down head and shoulders. And so what I did is I targeted from right here to right here, drug that to the breakout, and we targeted around right here, and actually it came up pretty much right exactly to where it is. I'm wondering if I should take profits right now, which I think I am. Alright, so let's watch this 5-minute trend right here to see when we should take profits. Should we take profits right now? It looks like we might be breaking down out of this. Alright, so I just took profits right here. It looks like we're breaking into that trend line, and we're about to break the trend. So I'll probably look for maybe a buyback. I don't know. I'll just kind of set up this trend, maybe something like that. We'll see how far this trend goes. Like that. I have a feeling it's gonna like drop down, get support right here, and then maybe come back, and maybe even go back into it right here. Once we break this trend, I'll probably put in a small order again and start seeing if we can ride it up again. It's possible we start doing something like this and start retesting maybe something like this line, or maybe this line, or maybe even this line. I guess we could do a Fibonacci retracement tool real quick. Let's see. Something like this. This isn't like the 5-minute. I'm kind of curious if this will work. It should work. Maybe get a bounce right here at around 34.32. Let's kind of just see what happens. Put in a guess. So I would say watch this 38 and the 50% level. That's what I usually do. So maybe get a bounce right here, or maybe a bounce even right here. This trend looks really good. And then let's go back to that daily moving average. So the one thing I wanted to show you is we have this daily moving average like this. It's coming in right here. It's this blue line, and the price actually broke above the daily right now. So if we can stay above this price range right here, which is around 34.91 possibly, if we can stay around up above this and get maybe a bounce, that's gonna look pretty good, and we might start to come back up and retest this 38.91 level. I have a feeling that thing just faked me out. I'm still gonna stay out of it for right now. If we break, so that's the thing, even if it goes up and I didn't get it right, it's still fine. I mean, we got this call right from here to around here, which is around 11-12%. I don't know where exactly where I put in that sell order, but yeah, pretty good trade. Alright, if you guys like that video, hit that thumbs up button.